Sullivan can't get a shot. Lawton pulled down. Now a bad angle shot taken there by De Palma. Pad save, rebound. Sullivan shoots. He scores! Sullivan breaks the scoreless tie. And it's 1-0 San Jose.
Well, some good forechecking by the San Jose Sharks. Gets them on the board early in the third period. And here it comes right here. Watch the shot. You'll see the save being made by Wendell Young, but the Tampa Bay Lightning had the puck, gave it away, and there's Sullivan shooting it high over the glove of Wendell Young, and the play was started by Taglianetti, who had the puck, but he lost it coming through the crease, and Sullivan picked it up and fired it over top as the San Jose Sharks lead 1-0.